If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2014 Nissan Rogue in brilliant silver. With fully automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 16-inch wheels, brake assist, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seats, speed sensing steering, 51,000 miles on the odometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, 4 premium speakers, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5091A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.